Hello friends, welcome to this live stream. I think there was a small technical problem there, so that I was resolving that. So that gave you time to join in for this live stream, right? Okay, so as I welcome Tushar Chauhan, Sushma Chanda Lakshay, I think there, then Vara Prasad 18, all the familiar names joining in. Then we have Gagandeep Singh joining in this for this one. Then ATM, yeah, glad to receive your message yesterday. Then who else? Sumati Saha and then Mukesh Kumar, everybody joining in for this live stream very quickly. So I think I'm late today by 1 minute. So let's get on with this topic today. Problems of squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots. Now cubing, cube roots and square roots, these things, it is the most time consuming thing when it comes to competitive exams. So we will solve some questions related to this today and we will learn a lot of tricks, and let's see who gets the answers correct using those tricks. That is very important. So let's see the first question. This is a warm-up question for today. The first one concerns a simple squaring technique, but all the same, you need to be aware of the short tricks to find the squares. So I will be using a short trick to illustrate this one. I need the square of 64 plus the square of 83 minus the square of 57. Okay. It's my sincere request to friends, please don't use calculators. If we use calculators, then everything is very easy. So just try to develop those skills wherein you don't have to use the calculators, and I'm sure a lot of things will go right for you. So I hope now you are on to it, as I request you to share the live link with your contacts, your groups, so that more of your friends can join in for this live stream. 10 questions of square, square roots, cube roots coming your way today, friends. Okay. So a lot of answers already coming in for this one. And I don't know how you have found out the squares so quickly here. I hope you don't have the calculators in your hand, friend. I appreciate if you come up with the answer using that short trick rather than using the calculators. So 7736 is the answer I'm getting here. So if you know the short trick, you can post all the three different squares which are used in this. All the three different squares. I need all the different squares. And 20 people have joined the live stream, only 6 likes on the video. Kindly click the like button and let's have the answer for this one now. All answering 7736. Perhaps that's the first question. So everybody is warmed up nicely today. Okay, so 7736 is the answer I'm getting. So how do we find the solution of this one? Now the first thing is here 64, one positive and one negative, and these two are very close together, difference of only 7, right? So I'll use a square minus b square here, and this will be done independently. So if you use a square minus b square, I'll write all the steps. So 64 square minus 57 square will be done separately, and then 83 square will be added to this. Now a square minus b square, a plus b, this is 110, 121 into a minus b, which is, I told you, 7. And how do you find 83 square? Now use vertically and crosswise here. This is 3 square 9, then 24, 2s are 48, 8, 4, then 64 and 4, 68. So 6, 8, 8, 9. And now just multiply this by this and write it below this. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 4 1 and 8. So this will be 9 plus 7 is 16, 6, 1 carry, 3, 1 carry, 17, 7, 1 carry, and 7. 7736, that's the correct answer which I was expecting. See, I have not squared all the 3 and got to the answer quite easily. And that's what is the secret of solving these questions quickly. Anyone can solve these questions very easily. If you are given infinite time, then the question is very easy. But if you're not having that amount of time, then it becomes difficult. So as I share the live link with my groups, let me tell you that this was the first question for today, and I need to appreciate people who got the answer correct first up. So only 21 people have joined in. I think you have not shared the live link with your friends, I'm sure. So as I give you time for sharing that. Let's have more people on the channel. Now this is Vara Prasad 18. Every day he is coming up with astonishing answers, and very quickly. So that's heartening to see. Vara Prasad, you got it right. 7736. After that, ATM, that all-time mathematics. Okay, 7736 is indeed correct. Followed by Tushar Chauhan, Golu, and Gagandeep Singh. These were the prominent people who gave me the answer. Some new names. No, Rajshri, I think she's there on the channel. Then Sumati Saha, Mukesh, Abhitatha, Sanyo Ghosh, and then Pratham, Manya Chauhan, Lakshay, all familiar names. See, I know these names by heart now. They are always there. Every day they are coming in and spending time on the channel, learning something new and developing their calculation speeds. So very well done, friends. These were the top people who gave me the correct answer for the first question. And now let's have the second question for today. In the meanwhile, let me tell you that all these tricks which I am taking up today, they are there in the PDF 2 which I have come up. I've put up a community post also, that 30 short tricks to find the squares, square roots, everything can be done orally, cube roots easily. This PDF is now available up for grabs, and the details are written here. The WhatsApp number, you can just send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll tell you the details, how to acquire that copy. Okay, so this was the first question. Now the second one. The question number 2 also deals with these squaring techniques only. So now we will have uh, a question in which I will give you numbers between 80 and 100. Now numbers between 80 and 100. So I'll have all numbers which are between 80 and 100, and in this question you will be trying to simplify using this short trick. So you can do it using any short trick which you know. Once I come up with the solution, I will tell you the best way of solving that particular question. Maybe you will save some time by using that short trick. So let's see the question first. The second one. Okay, so this is 98 square plus 93 square plus 84 square. Okay, see, I have taken all the three numbers which are between 80 and 100, and now we will have a very simple explanation of this method, how we find the squares of such numbers which lie between 80 and 100. Another short trick mentioned in this PDF. So you can go for that PDF. You can send me a message on WhatsApp if you want that PDF to be in your kitty. So as I wait for some answers to come in for this one, I want it to be done through short tricks, friends. So which one are you going to use? A particular short trick? Let's see. Okay, so many answers coming in, and in such questions, we have all unanimity in answering, and everybody gets the same answer rather. I hope you are not using calculators, friends. Please get rid of that instrument. I don't want anybody to carry that calculator in your hand, and if you're doing it yourself, all thumbs up for you. This is quite amazing, the speed with which the answers are coming in. And I'm sure my routine visitors, they are obviously going in for the short tricks and not for the calculators. Okay, so the prominent answer which I'm getting is 23509, and somebody is saying 25309 also. So I think there is a confusion between 5 and 3, the placement of 5 and 3, but all the same, the three answers have been obtained. Now, what is the shortest possible method of solving this? Let's see. I'll tell you If the numbers lie between 80 and 100, then it becomes very easy to find the squares. Obviously, if you know vertically and crosswise method, nothing like it. That is one step solution of all the squares. So whatever methods you want to practice, you know, vertically and crosswise stands out. And that is the method everybody should know. Okay, I will not do it through vertically and crosswise. Now see, whenever, and now I'm telling you the short trick. So you are learning something new here. Just learn this short trick. See, we have 98 square. See, it is very close to 100. So what is 100 minus 98? It is 2, right? So remember this 2. Now, square of this 2 gives you 4. And we need to write this as 04 because we need to take 2 digits here. That is important. So these 2 digits are to be remembered. And finally, the base here is 98. Take the difference with the difference which you have obtained here, the box. This is 2. So you have 96. There are these are the 2 parts of the answer. This is 9604. Now all these steps are actually mental math steps. They are not something which you have to write here. If you are aware of the short trick, then these are not to be written, friends. Okay. This is 98 square, so I found out the first one, and I'll find out all the 3 using this technique so that you can learn the technique. I'm not focusing on finding the answer quickly. I'm focusing on telling you the short trick. That is important. And all the short tricks are mentioned in this PDF number 2. Cube root, square roots, all the techniques, 30 different techniques of finding all these things. Okay. So 93 square. How about 93 square? If you see, now I'll skip steps. 100 minus 93 is 7. So put it in box. Now 7 square is 49. Again, this has 2 digits. So this will be our last 2 digits. And what about the other part? 93 minus the box 7. So 93 minus 7 is 86. So your answer for this is 8649. Now see, I have written less number of steps. And finally, we have the third one, 84 square. So 100 minus 84 is 16. And this 16, if you take square of this 16, you will have 256. Now I need only 2 digits here. So this 2 is to be carried forward to the next number. Now the base is 84 and the number in the box is 16. So if you subtract 84 and 16, you are going to get 68. So we have these 2 carried forward. So 68 plus 2 becomes 70 and 56. This will be the answer of the square of 84. So here you have the 3 squares, 9604, 8649 and 7056. Get another amazing method of squaring, friends, and so many different tricks are available for squaring the numbers which are close to 100. That is why I've told you 80 to 100, because the more farther you get from 100, squaring becomes little tough, and vertically and crosswise that comes to your rescue in that case. 40 people watching, only 18 clicking the like button. Just click it once, friends. It will take you 1 second, but I'm telling you, you are going to learn many things today. And the compiled list is there in this PDF too. So I'm waiting for your WhatsApp messages so that you can procure this amazing PDF, 15-page PDF in which I have enumerated 30 short tricks of finding all these things orally. So now you can add, and the 3, you will get your final answer. So let's see the correct answer also. 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 6, 19. 9. And then we have a 1 carry, means 6, 10. 10 means 0 and a 1 carry. 1, 7, 6, 13. 3 and a 1 carry. 8, 8, 16 and 25. So 25309. That's the answer I think most of you gave, and adding is nothing, once you are aware of the squaring technique, you can do this mentally also. Just practice it. Take 30-40 such questions and practice this. I'm going to tell you, you are going to rock in terms of squaring any number. And stay tuned, I'm going to give you 4-digit numbers also, and you will be able to do that also mentally. Yes, mentally. Okay, so let's have the names of the people who gave me the correct answer first up. The answer I was expecting is 25309, and where from that answer came? 25309, the answer came from, it was Golu, the person with the name Aman Kumar there. And then we have Kandim Parekh answering the same question very correctly. And then ATM 253, you are an ATM of tricks, right? 25309. And Tushar Chauhan, Lakshya, everybody is there with the correct answer. Some new names, Gopinath, I think you were there yesterday. So I hope you have subscribed the channel and click the bell icon for getting all the notifications. Okay, we have some new names. I should be failing in my duty if I don't welcome them. Polami Datta, very well done. Polami Datta, you gave the answer correct, all the same, but it was a little late, so you can gear up. Then we have some new names. Justin Samuel, welcome Justin to the channel, and your answer was accurate but little bit slow. Okay, then we have Jaswant, again a new name on the channel. Thank you Jaswant for joining in. Great. So let's have the third question now. So this is yet another short trick which I've told you right now. Okay, I'm getting all the same answers for. There is no unanimity. There is no differences in answers. So I want a difference in answers. For that, I need to give you a question of BODMAS. Let's see now. This is question number 3 for today. Just tell me what is minus 1 by 3. Okay, this is not a question of cube, square roots, and cube roots. Obviously, this is just to change the monotony. Plus 3 by 2 times 7 by 4 minus 3 by 5 plus minus 3 by 8. Okay, so you need to solve this one and tell me the answer for this one. I'm sure a lot of different answers are going to come for this one. Okay, some new names there. Ishaq Rais. Okay, welcome Ishaq, and thank you for finding time to join this live stream. Very less people compared to yesterday. You know, I need more people to join in for this. So I hope this question will fetch me some different answers, and let's see what is the first correct answer which will come up. They're waiting for people to give me the correct answer for this, and where from that answer is going to come. A very important question for competitions, and success in competition depends on how much time you take to crack these type of questions accurately. So some answers have already started to flow in. Already 2 different answers: 199 by 240 by Gopinath, and then 631 by 240 by Tushar Chauhan. 2 different answers by 2 people there. So let's see whether some of you are correct or not. Okay, 631 by 240 is gaining majority now, Tushar. Great work there. And Akshay Reddy is saying 199 by 240, agreeing with Gopinath. Okay, 2 different answers now. Okay, 181 by 240 also by Hardik. 553 by 240 by Lakshya. 317 by 120, okay, by Abhinesh. Okay, Abhinesh was there yesterday also. Great. Okay. Divakar Saha, welcome to the channel, Divakar, and we have a Divakar also. Mr. Divakar also is a very prominent member, so I am pleased to have 2 Divakars there. 199 by 240, okay, 227 by 30 by Pradeep. Okay, 847 by 240 also. Now see the variety of answers. This is what I told you. You know, questions of BODMAS, they normally yield different variety of answers, and that's what is happening in this question also. So let's see the answer for this one. So I'll do it on the board, and many answers. See, Nandak is saying 101 by 6. Okay, see. So Not wasting time. Okay, let's see the correct answer. So how do we solve this one first? We need to remove these small brackets. So this will be 7 by 4 plus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 8. So what is the LCM of 4, 5 and 8? 4 is a divisor of 8, so just forget 4. 5 and 8, the LCM is 40. So the LCM of the three numbers is 40. So this is 10 means 70. This is 8 means 24. And this is 5 means 15. So this part, the curly bracket part, it becomes 94 minus 15, which is 79. So 79 by 40, this is this part. Now minus 1 by 3 plus. This 3 by 2 is multiplied by this bracket. So I need to multiply this by 3 by 2 first. So obviously nothing is cancelling here. So this will be 9 3s are 27, 7, 2 carry. So we have a 21, 23. And in the denominator we have 80. So now take the LCM, 80 and 3, LCM is 240. So just cross multiply minus 80 plus. Now you have to multiply this. How do we multiply this? 37 into 3 is 111 and 600. 600 and 111, 711. And 711 minus 80, subtract 100 first. So this will be 611 and plus 20, 631. So 631 upon 240. Okay. So is there anybody who gave me that particular answer, 631 upon 240? And see the steps which I have followed to solve the question. Friends, if you don't do it like this, then you are obviously following a lengthy procedure. And who came up with the correct answer for this question? Let's see. 631 by 240. That's the answer I'm looking for. And the first correct answer. Okay, that came from the great man himself there. Tushar Chauhan. Very well done, Tushar. You are an example for so many people, you know. Everybody watching this live stream, beware of this person, Tushar. He is lightning quick in these type of calculations, and he usually gets it right. And that's the expertise level we all should develop. You know, these banking exams, SSC exams, railways exams, these are just nothing for you if you develop these skills of simplification quite effectively. These PDFs are going to help you a great deal, friends. So many of you have already acquired the PDF. Just a nominal cost of 49 rupees associated with the PDF, and you will have everything to study from. You don't find that in books. Everything not compiled at one place. Okay. So after Tushar Chauhan, it was Akshara Murli. Very well done, Akshara. Then familiar names, Sanyog Ghosh there. Quite good there. And then we have Bolu and Abhitatha Roy. And then we have Akshit Manoj, everybody answering that one correctly. So these were the top 6 people. I cannot take more names, friends. I'm sorry for that. You need to be in top 6 or 7 people to, for the announcement of your name on the channel. Okay. So I hope you have shared the live link, friends, because less number of people are watching today. I think everybody is busy. Don't worry. We will carry on with the live stream. This is question number 3 for today. Then we have next question. Question number 4. Okay, so a question of square roots now. Now, okay, I'll give you a question of squares, yet another squares question. Then we move on to square roots. This is question number 4. Now I want to know 135 square plus 85 square minus 175 square. Okay. Now, all the numbers are ending with 5. So, whenever the numbers end with 5, finding the square of those numbers becomes very, very easy. So, those who don't know the method, stay tuned. You are going to learn something new here. The same method which I have included in this PDF, explanatory part is in the PDF. So, if you want to acquire that PDF, follow the procedure which I have written on the board. Just send me a WhatsApp on message on 9896369963, and I shall tell you the process through which you can acquire that PDF. Amazing PDF of 30 short tricks to find squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, everything. Okay, some answers are already flowing in, and I'm so glad to see the unanimity again there, because it happens, you know, when we have simple questions like this, everybody tends to answer the same question with the same answer. But Once it comes to simplification questions, I'll give you one more of that kind. Don't worry, I know a lot of people are using calculators here, friends, but I know who are using calculators. Okay, so minus 5175, that's the answer I'm getting. Now, I'm going to learn something good here, friends. I know you're waiting for that short trick, and if you keep on watching this live stream, you're going to learn some new techniques of square roots and cube roots as well. A lot more to come on the live stream. Do share the live link with your friends so that they can join in and get benefited by these live streams. So let's have the answer for this one now. I'll wait just for 10 more seconds to enable you to answer this one. Okay, the same answer is coming from everybody. Okay, so let's see. How do you square numbers ending with 5? Now just forget this 5 and think of this number 13. And you need to very quickly multiply 13 by its successor 14. 43 is a 42, 2, 4, 14 is a 14, and 4, 18. So 182, done. 14 into 13 is 182. So 182 followed by 25. This is the square of 135. And now I want the square of 85. Very easy. 8 into its successor 9. 8 9 is 72 and follow it by 25. Just add these two. 25 25 is 50. This is 4 and 5 and 1 means 2. So 25 450 is the square sum of squares of these two. And now 17 into 18. This is what you need to do. Now 8 7 is 56, 6 5. For this also I am using vertically and crosswise. 8 7 is the 56, 6 5 carry, 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 5 20, 0 2 carry, and then we have 1 and 2 3. So 306. So we need to subtract 30625 from this. So just write 25450 below this and subtract. You will have the answer, which is 5, and then 12 minus 5 is 7. So 5 minus 4 is 1, and then we have a 5. So this is the answer which I was expecting, and that's the answer I got from majority of you. Okay, so who got that one correct first up? See, these are all not traditional methods. Okay, so once you follow these methods, your speed is bound to increase. But believe it or not, friends, you need to put in practice hours. You know, I put in years and years of practice mastering all these short tricks and compiling them for you in the form of PDFs. So you need to acquire these PDFs very, very quickly. That will help you also and the next generation also. Okay, so who got that one correct? Minus 5175. That was the answer I was looking for, and that answer came from the first person, minus 5175. It's Vara Prasad 18. Very good, Vara Prasad. Yeah, been really rocking, and these are the people, you know, who have acquired all the PDFs, who keep on interacting with me on WhatsApp and sharing their views on live streams and giving me suggestions also. And thank you for being an integral part of the channel, Vara Prasad. And then the person who joined yesterday only, ATM. Okay, minus 5175, correct answer. Big thumbs up for you. And then we have Dibakar Saha. Very well done, Dibakar, but you missed out on a minus sign there. I know you missed it out, but I think you have got the answer all the same. So Tushar Chauhan, you were there, but fourth this time. Akshit Manoj, another familiar name. Then Golu, and then we have Mahi Jaiswal, 631 by 240. I think you are answering the previous question. Never mind. That is indeed the correct answer, but for the previous question. And then Pratham Vasist, Shyam Ganesh, and Lakshay, everybody getting that very, very quickly. So that was question number 4, in which we have learned a technique how to square numbers ending with 5. You just need to multiply the remaining number apart from 5 by its successor and suffix 25 to the product. You will get the square of that particular number. Okay, so let's see question number 5 for today. Now, the square root technique. This is something we all need to master, and I've told you so many times that these techniques will help you a great deal in competitions. And if you don't know these techniques, obviously this is going to consume a lot of your precious time in such examinations. So let's have the question. The question goes like this: square root of 3249 plus square root of 4624 minus square root of 'I'll give you an easy one, okay. 6889. Okay. So I need the answer for this one, and I know many of you will be there with lightning quick speed, because I have already told you this method of finding the square roots earlier. It is there in PDF number 2, which I have been promoting on this live stream. Everybody needs to acquire this, and those who have joined it today only, 30 short tricks for faster multiplication. Every multiplication can be done orally in a single step, whether it is 6 digit by 6 digit or 5 digits by 4 digit. Every multiplication will be done orally if you procure this 30 short tricks for faster multiplication PDF. Very, very important for each and every student, each and every parent and teacher. Whether you are running a coaching institute or you are appearing in a competition, you must acquire these short tricks PDFs. So there we are, so many answers, but all answers are same. That's very, very good indeed. And 42 is the prominent answer which I am getting. So are there any new names here? I need to welcome those people who have joined in today only. Okay, can I see some new names there? Paulami Datta, I've already announced. Pradeep, Daksh Verma. Okay, Pratham Vashist, he was there, I think. Then Pawan Kumar Reddy also. And there are some good names, prominent names. Okay, so let's see the answer which. Okay, Kriti Kumari. Okay, thank you for reminding me. I didn't see your name actually. So thanks for joining in for this live stream. You're going to get benefited a great deal. If you follow the live streams daily, just spend 1 hour daily with me, and I'll ensure that you speed up your calculations and you develop an amazing speed through which you will be simplifying everything which is asked in competitions, especially SSC, CGL, banking, NTPC, railways, and every exam involving quantitative aptitude portion. Okay, so let's see the answer for this one now. The first number, this is 4 digits, so 2 2. 4 digits means again 2 2. Here also 2 2. Now, this is ending with 9, so my answer will end with 3 or it will end with 7, because 3 square is 9 and 7 square is 49, which ends with 9. Ending with 4 means it is 2 or 8. So 8 square is 64 and 2 square is 4. And finally 9 means again 3 and 7. So let's see the first digit now in every case. The first digit, very easy. 32 is very close to 5 square. So 5 will come here. 46 is close to 6 square. 6 will come here. 68 is close to 8 square. So 8 will come here. And now which of them is correct? Just take the intermediate number. I just now told you the square of numbers ending with 5. This is 5 6 are 30 and 25. So my number is greater than this. So my answer is also greater 1. Here we have 65 square. 65 square is 6 7s are 42, 25. This is greater. So my answer is greater 1. Take the intermediate number 85 square. 8 9 the 72, 25. This number is smaller. So my answer is also smaller. And now finally we have the sum and the difference. So this is 110, 125. So 125 minus 83. So you get your answer here, 17 plus 25, this is 42. And that's the exact answer which most of you have given me very, very quickly. So who gave the correct answer first up? And those who have learned this trick today only, they are the ones who are going to be benefited. And those who have learned it earlier, I'm sure you also will be greatly benefited by the PDF. Okay, so let's see. That's the correct answer 42 and where from that answer has come. So somebody appreciating Vara Prasad there, and he deserves it, right? So Vara Prasad 18 got it right, friend. 42. Big thumbs up for you, because that was lightning quick, and I'm sure you're not using calculator, because I've seen you do it in the previous live streams also. Okay, ATM, another very, very now surprising name there. He came yesterday only and he's dominating the shows. Okay, so Lakshay, I expected that from him. He's a paid member of the channel member and paid channel member, and he's learning so many things. So you can go in for channel membership also, friends. Along with the subscribe button, you find a join button. Just click it and follow the procedure. You will be a member of the channel for getting all the paid videos and paid PDFs. Then we have Akshit Manoj, Tushar Chauhan, Sharon, Golu, Abhitatha Roy, Gopinath, Sanyo Ghosh, everybody coming up with the correct answer first. So, very heartening to see, but always note the time in which you are giving the correct answer. That is very, very important. See, if I give you 1 or 2 minutes, 2, 3 minutes for solving these questions, anybody can do it. But in competitions, you need to do it in hardly 15 to 20 seconds time. And if you can do this in 15-20 seconds time, I do it orally, friends. If you ask me 3 to 4 line, I'll tell you orally that it is 57. So even 5 to 6 digit numbers, square roots, you can do it orally. So I'll demonstrate how using the next one. So I've already announced the name of the people who gave the answer first term. And now this is going to be amazing. The next question for finding the square roots of 5 digits and 6 digit numbers. Now, this method, which I'm going to illustrate now, this was given in one of my tricks on the YouTube channel, and that attracted a lot of views, and people were like crazy for that video. So I'm going to demonstrate that particular method which I have come up in that particular video. Okay, so these are the squares of numbers which are near to 10,000 and 1 lakh. So that is 5 and 6 digit numbers. Okay, the sixth question. This is square root of 18769. Now there are two ways in which you can get to the answer of this question. Plus, I'll give you another one with this square root of 26244. So I'll tell you both the methods through which you will be able to find the square roots of such large numbers within how much time? 10 seconds. If you can do it in 10 seconds each, 10 plus 10, 20, and adding will take 2 more seconds to 22, 23 seconds. I think that is enough. And only 1 out of 50 people can do it in that much time. Okay, so a lot of answers already, I think, coming in for this one. If you are that good in finding square roots, then it is very, very good. But if you are doing it using calculators, I think you should get rid of that instrument, friends, if you have that in your hands. So I need to see what method you are using to get to that answer. Okay, so 299 is the answer which I am getting for this one. And I need to see whether that particular answer is correct or not. Okay, 299, only that answer I'm getting right now. So who is the first one to give me that answer? Yet to be seen. Okay, so I need to tell you the method, friends, because that's enough. I've told you the method for 4-digit numbers. Now this is 5-digit numbers. Okay. So the one method which I've told you earlier, you can adopt that method also by making pairs from right hand side, and if you have 3 digits, then you can combine them. So this way you will get to an approximate answer, and you can find the correct answer by using the intermediate number, just like the previous video. The previous question. Okay, 69 means ending with 3, and here we will have 2 more digits, or 2 more digits and ending with 7, plus 2 digits ending with 2, or 2 digits ending with 8. So that you already know, right? Making a pair from the right hand side and then seeing the unit digit and seeing which number square is ending with that particular digit. Now, what are the first 2 digits? Which number square is very close to 187 but not exceeding it? 13 square is 169, but 14 square is 196. That is exceeding it. So 13, I need that 13. So 133 or 137. Likewise, 262. 15 square is 225. 16 is 256. So 16 comes here. So 16 comes here. Now the intermediate number 135 square. So what is 135 square? Obviously it will end with 25, and you just need to multiply 13 by its successor 14. So 14 into 3 is 42. So 182. So 18225. My number 18769 is greater than this. So my answer is also greater 1. So 137. And here we have the intermediate number 165 square. So it will end with 25 obviously, and 16 will be multiplied by 17, right? So 17 into 6, 112, so 11, and 17 into 1, 17 plus 11, 28. So 28225. And my number, that is 26244, is smaller than this number. So my answer will also be the smaller one. So 137 plus 162 will be your answer for the question, and 299 is the exact answer which I was looking for. And I hope, friends, you have used this particular method in getting to the answer of this question. So 299. Who gave the correct answer first up? Let's see some different names, maybe. No, I think it's Lakshay, Vara Prasad, and Daksh Verma. Very well done, Daksh. Nice to see you in top 5 there. Followed by Paulami Datta, another new name. It's joined today only, I think, and you're rocking. Fourth one to give me the correct answer. And then we have Tushar Chauhan and ATM. All these, right? People getting to the correct answer. Yeah. Reflection on the board is due to the laptop only. Yes, I'm using my laptop. So I hope that is not disturbing you, friends, because mathematics, if you understand, you solve it. Okay, so these are the top people who gave me the correct answer for the question number 6 today. And now I'm moving on to cubes. Now, question number 7 for cubing. Let's have 2-digit numbers first. I need the cube of 23 plus the cube of 34 minus the cube of 52. Okay, different question now, and you need to be aware of the cubing short trick, friends. If you don't know the cubing short tricks, then multiplication is going to consume double time. Let's have some correct answers for this cubing, and everybody who are keen on learning the short trick, they have to stay tuned. So let's see who gets this one correctly. Okay, some answers coming in, but some difference in opinion finally in this question. 2.3, then 2.35, then we have a negative 2.35 also, and minus 89137. Okay, two people answering that, and then Daksh Verma also agreeing with them, and 999 by Rohan Vidhata. Okay, Vidhate. Okay, Rohan, I think you're new to the channel, so big welcome to you on the channel, and I hope you learn a lot of things today on the channel. Hema Rawat, welcome to you too. And 2.35 is the answer you are giving, and you are agreeing with one or two people there. Max Mora, welcome. Minus 1109, a different answer there, followed by Golu Hussain, minus 89137. Two, three people answering that minus 89137. So let's hope some of you are correct, but I don't know. I just need to see which one is correct. Let's see the exact answer for this one. So expecting more answers, friends, but lot of variation is there. Okay, so I need to demonstrate the method now. I can't wait more than this. Okay, see, this is 23. So if you consider this as A and B, just write the four terms: A cube, A square B, AB square, and B cube. So A is 2, right? So 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 2 into 3 square, 3 square is 9, 9 twos are 18, 27. Once again, A cube is 2 cube, then A square B, 2 square into 3, 12, A into B square, 2 into 3 square, 18, and B cube, 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. Now, in the middle, we have 12 and 18. Just double this and write it below this, 24 and 36. Now, this 27 and add these two, you have 54. Add these two, you have 36, and we have a 8 here. Now, what we do, we carry forward the tens digit and retain the unit digit. So we have 7 here, 2 goes here, becomes 56, means 6, 5 goes here, becomes 41, 1, 4 goes here, becomes 12. So 12167 is the cube of 23. So that's the method you can follow. Mr. Divakar giving me another explanation of this question. You can see that, guys, he's an amazing person, he's an amazing educator, and we all need to appreciate the feedback given by Mr. Divakar there. But my intention is to tell you how you can find the cubes of such two-digit numbers using this identity A cube plus A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube, that is A plus B whole cube. And if you know this method, then a lot of problems of cubing will be solved. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 1, 6, 7 as the first answer, and now I need to see the other answers also. So I'm not going to explain it to you, I'm going to write it directly. 3 cube is 27, 3 square is 9, 9 fours are 36, 4 square is 16, 16 into 3, 48, and 4 cube is 64. So double this 72, double this 96. Now write the numbers 64, 144, 108, and 27. So you have a 4 here, 6 carried forward, 150 means 0. So 15 carried forward, 123 means 3, and 12 carried forward, 39. So here we have 39304 as the cube of 34. And finally, the third one, 52. 5 cube is 125. 5 square is a cube plus a square b. Okay. This is 25 into 250. Then we have 4 into 5, 20. And then we have 8. Right? So double this 100, double this 40. So this is 8, 60, 150 and 125. Now your answer will be here 8, 0. So 6 carried forward means 156 means 6. 15 carried forward means 140. So 140608 is the cube of 52. Now add these two and subtract the third one. That's the final step that you can do very easily, friends. 7 plus 4, 11, 1, 1 carry means 7, 4, 1 and 5. So 5, 1, 4, 7, 1. So subtract this 5, 1, 4, 7, 1 from this. So you will have the answer in negative because this is the highest number. So this is 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. And 13 minus 5 is 8. So here we have 89137 in negative. That is the answer of this question. Minus 89137. Obviously, such a big question will not be asked in competitions, friends. But my intention of giving you this question was to tell you the method using the identities for finding the cubes. Practice makes a man perfect. And if you practice this by taking 30-40 examples, giving it 1 hour time, I think you will develop a lightning speed of calculation of cubes very, very easily. Okay. So who gave the answer first up? Minus 89137 was the answer I was looking for. And where is that exclusive answer? A lot of wrong answers, friends. Lot of wrong answers. And I know cubing, that is a headache for so many people, and everybody got that wrong. And the first person to give me the correct answer was Daksh Verma. Very well done, Daksh Verma. You rocked it, and so many wrong answers, and you came up with the correct answers the first up. Very well done, Daksh Verma there. After that, it was Shanti Murli. All new names there. Now everybody coming up with the correct answers for these type of questions. Very heartening to see. Akshay Reddy, all again a new name, the third person to give me the correct answer, followed by Lakshay and Aman Kumar Golu. There we have top 5 people who answered this question very, very quickly. So these were the names which I wanted to take, and this is question number 7, and now we have the question number 8 for today. So all my old subscribers who have procured the faster multiplication trick PDF, that was a 9-page PDF of 30 short tricks. This PDF 2 is a 15-page PDF of 30 short tricks, in which you will be having lots of short tricks to find the squares, square roots, cube roots, everything, all topics covered, which I have written on the board virtually in a single line. So if you can acquire that, nothing like that, that will be for life. And the cost is very, very nominal. All the PDFs which I'll be sharing, the entire cost of all the PDFs will not be greater than the cost of a reasoning book or a mental maths book, right? So that's what I intend to provide you, so that you don't feel that that we are spending a huge amount on mental maths and Vedic maths books. This is nothing. Compile the PDFs and you will have the book. Okay. Next question. This is question number 8 for today. Okay, so yet another method, and now we will have a question of decimals. So if you can calculate, decimal cubing is again something you need to be very quick at. Okay, now first number is 6.3 cube, and then I want difference with one. Okay, I don't. I'll give you a number which is close to this, 5.4 cube. Okay, you can use the identity, friends, a cube minus b cube, to get to the answer of this one, and you can use the traditional approach also for getting the cube of this decimal number. Okay, so Yeah, all those who get the buffering problem, they have to reload the video, and they will be there. Okay, some answers already there, friends, and a little bit of difference there in decimal part, but all the same, those three names are rocking today. Vara Prasad, ATM, and Tushar. They are not giving a sniff of a chance to anybody for getting to the answer on the in top 5 list. So, friends, my WhatsApp number is written on the board. I'm sure you can surely send a message and have those PDFs which are designed to develop your mental math skills. Lot more PDFs to come in future also, friends. Just stay tuned on the channel and you will have them all. Okay, so you can see 5, 8, 3 in the latter part of the answer. 103.683. Lakshay, can you just see whether that is correct or not? Because others are not agreeing with you on this one. This is question number 8 for today, friends. And after this, we'll have 2 more questions on cube roots. Okay, so I think I've given enough time for this one. So let's see the cubing part of this. Now, how to find the cube of 6.3? Decimal is just a formality, right? You can find the cube using the method which I've told you, the identity method, and then get to the answer, put the decimal afterwards also. Okay. In the meanwhile, those friends who have not clicked the like button and are a part of this live stream, please do click the like button once. That motivates me a lot, friends. So I just need a 1 second of you just to click the like button if you have not done it. Thank you for that. Okay. Now, how to start with this? A cube minus B cube. If you know the identity A cube minus B cube, you can use that A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. But in this case, you have to find the product of AB, then square of is A and square of B also. So that will be little bit time consuming. So I'm using the traditional method of cubing. That is the identity method. Now, A cube is 6 cube 216. 6 square is 36. 36 into 3 is 108. 3 square is 9. 9 6 are 54. And 3 cube is 27. So double of this is 216. Double of this is 108. Now write the three numbers 27. And this is 150, 162. And here we have 324. And then 216. So how do you find the answer for this one? Start from here 7. 2 carried forward, this becomes 164, means 4. 16 carried forward, this becomes 340, means 0. And 34 carried forward means this becomes 250. So 250. So where will be the decimal? 1 digit here. So in the cube, we will have 3 digits. So 250.047 is the cube of 6.3. Pick up your calculators and see whether that particular answer which I have found out is correct or not. I'm sure you are going to find it correct. Okay, let's have the second one now. This is 5.4. Okay, 5 cube is 125, 5 square is 25 into 4 is 100. 4 square is 16, 16 5 are 80, and 4 cube is 64. Now double these two numbers, 200 and 160. Add them up, 64, 240, 300, 125. Now start with the answer minus. So I will write it below this because I need to subtract it. So 4, 6 carried forward, 246 means 6. 24 carried forward, 324 means 4. 32 carried forward means 157. So here you have the cubes, and now subtracting is just a formality. This is 3 and this is 8. So here we have 9, so 5. So 583, that was the answer which everybody was getting here. And obviously the second part, 2, and we have a 9. So 92.583, that is the exact answer which so many of you gave. Very, very heartening to see correct answers coming in for this question, friends. And lot of correct answers indeed. So 92.583, the first correct answer came from, where is that? The first correct answer. Okay, 92.583, the exact answer. It again came from the person who attempted everything correctly today and gave the correct answers on in top 5. Vara Prasad 18. So Vara Prasad, very, very well done for this question also. And then we have ATM. I think you missed out on a decimal there, 582. I think it's 583. I'll give the benefit of doubt to you for this question. And then we have Tushar Chauhan, Divakar Saha, and then Abhitatha Roy. I think you rounded off to 2 digits, no issues. Daksh Verma, easy tag. You missed out on a decimal place there. Never mind. Pratham Vasist, everybody getting that right. So big thumbs up for you, friends. Okay, so friends, I've completed 1 hour of live stream for this session also. So sorry, I cannot continue for नेक्स्ट में मिलेंगे आपके साथ. अब देखते हैं कि अगले ट्रिक में आपके पास क्या होने वाला है कल के जो लाइव सेशन होंगे उसमें. And I'll wait for your company in those sessions also, friends. 10 more questions of simplification coming your way tomorrow 8:15 p.m. sharp. And in the meanwhile, let me tell you about the PDFs again. So those who have not acquired the PDFs, please do it, friends. It costs just 49 rupees and everybody should have those PDFs up your sleeves. So thanks for being a part of this live stream today. It was amazing bringing it to you. I'll look for your company tomorrow also. So it's Dr. Suresh Agarwal signing off for today. Good night. Stay blessed, everybody.